Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Swagbucks. Swagbucks is an online platform where you can earn rewards for doing different activities on the internet. It's like a fun way to make extra money or get gift cards without leaving your home. So get free gift cards and cash for the everyday thing you do online. So here we had paid our members 883 million. So this is a work review or opinion. My most rewarding moments with Swagbucks is using the gift card I earned to buy gifts for my child's Christmas and February birthday. Nice. Now let's join using Google. You can join by filling up with the email address or you can use Apple. So this is just Arabic language. I can speak three language, Arabic, French, and English. Let's agree to all. Wait. Hmm. Yes, let's agree to all. I have nothing to lose. Get your free. What? Ah. Okay, thank you. To verify your email. Wow. Wow. Without this 5 cents, I would be homeless now. Oh no. What do I do without this 5 cents? Verify. Why the picture contain gift cards and I got only 5 cents? So take survey and earn 5 SB. What's the SB? Oh, the SB. 100 SB is $1. Answer survey, earn up to $2. Refer a friend and get 10% for life. Okay, this is the pricing. So 500 SB can get you an Amazon gift card, and 5,000 SB can get you a $50 Amazon gift card. Let's see all the rewards. We have PayPal Cash, PayPal Money, and Amazon gift cards. That's it. Pioneer, Steam. Okay, this. Now they are attracting me. Next, what we have? Amazon, Steam, Zalando. I never heard about it. So, how how do I take money? How do I start earning money? So this is the account. Oh, I didn't log in. Okay, now let's go. So activities, verifying email and signing up gets you 7 SB. So one of the main ways to earn rewards on Swagbucks is by taking surveys. They ask you questions about different topics and in return you earn points that can be redeemed for gift card. The survey are usually not very long and they can be quite interesting. Okay, that's good. Another way to earn rewards is by watching videos. Swagbox has a variety of videos of different topics like news, entertainment, and even cooking. Okay, this is interesting. Now, you can watch these videos and earn points while enjoying them. I will see that later. So where are the jobs? So swag entries, referral orders such as answer. Answer what? Surveys. Welcome to Swagbox. Answer. Daily poll. They have a daily poll for money. How do you feel about cutting the grass? I I avoid cutting the grass. Cool. Now I earned 1 SB. Those are the jobs. Offers from our trusted partners. Trust me, you won't earn that much. Popular offers, recent offers, and others. Here to see all offers. Those About we have offers, sponsored offers, quick links, socialized. Here we have the surveys. So there aren't a lot of surveys here. Shop, discover, play. You can play and earn money also. Show me how. You start your gaming at Swagbucks and earn money called CB. Tell me more. Go on. Yes. Next. Okay. So where are the games? Nobody knows. So this is how to get money on this website. Let's go home. You can also so Swagbucks has also a research engine that you can use to browse the web. By using the search engine, you have a chance to win random points. It's a simple way to earn through extra money without much effort. In addition to survey videos and games and searching web, Swagbucks also offer ways to earn rewards. You can shop online through their platform and earn cashback or complete offers from different companies and earn points. Once you have accumulated enough points, you can redeem them to various rewards. Swagbucks offer a wide range of gift cards for popular retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and Starbucks. You can also choose to receive it cash through PayPal. So those are the offers, and you can shop and earn through eBay, Walmart, Amazon, Best Buy, and thousands of websites. Dell Technology offer from our trusted partners. Yes, they are trusted partners, but 5000 CB, I don't think I can trust an offer with that much. So discover special offers and earn. Make an Uber Eats order. Build your credit smartest and safest way. So answer surveys like we said. Go and before we start, remember, a survey might not be for you. Be honest, keep it confidential. So, to which of the following gender identity you must which clothes did you find? What do you mean by closely? I'm a male, 100%. What's your age? I'm putting 17 for now. To look, uh, oh, I was 17, so wait. 17, 2023 minus 17 is 2005. Good. Continue. Ooh, do you or does anyone else in your household work or any in the following industry? Can I lie? No, I can't lie. So let's choose. What can I choose? Communication, consulting, education. Okay, let's choose education. Because I'm a student. What language you speak? Let's start with English, French, and go down for. They have no Arabic. Look at others, where is it? So I think Arabic will be available. Portuguese, Romanian, Arabic. So those are the three languages I can speak freely. How many people live in your household, including yourself? Four. How many times have you shopped online in the past 13 days? At least one. What's the highest level of education you have completed? Uh, I'm a student. How much total combined annual do all members of your household earn before taxes? What? How how can I calculate this? Okay, let's gamble. Okay, this is a good gamble. Did I complete it? No. Will they give me money? No. But this is how survey works, and this is it. I have 13 CB. Refresh. Refresh. Okay, now you know how this website works. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.